Hey there, this video right here is just part of the complete comparison. So should you ever feel like watching the whole thing, it's waiting for you in the top right hand corner. Just wanted to let you know. Now, corner shading or vignetting is a common problem with any super wide angle lens really, and the 11-22 and the 10-18 are no exception to that. What you're looking at right now is the 11-22 at its 11mm wide end with internal vignetting or corner shading correction turned on, because like with chromatic aberration, the M50 can use the lens profiles of the 11-22 and the 10-18 to perfectly correct vignetting. So it's totally up to you whether you want it perfectly corrected in the camera or whether you maybe want a little vignetting. For all intents and purposes for vlogging, you might even choose to turn automatic correction off, because a little vignette is going to increase the focus on your own person as soon as you're in front of the camera. With both lenses, that's totally up to you, it's personal preference. So this is what you're getting from the 11-22 at its 11mm wide end with internal vignetting correction turned on. Pay attention to what happens in the corners, as I'm now going to turn correction off. Same test with the 10-18, once again at its wide end, which in this case is 10mm, with internal vignetting correction turned on. Pay attention to what happens in the corners of the image, as I'm now going to turn correction off. So, if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.